Senior School. Few at home again. Only just about to arrive. We shall only have 20 minutes, so we need to be as fast as possible. Ukiona mtu asisongi kwa mwendo wa haraka, unamshtua kidogo. This was not expected.
In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on the beautiful shore. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see far. For the far.
Please give way here. We want to put give way, please. Give way to peana heshima za mwisho.
We shall meet on the beautiful shore in the sweet.
Tusonge tena kidogo, tusonge. Gari ingia hapa tafadhali. Gari ingia hapa. Tusonge nyuma, please. Gari ingia hapa. Yes. Gari inaingia hapo. Hivyo. Then sababu tutaitoa tuiweke pande nyingine.
In the sweet we shall meet on the beautiful in the sweet by and by.
Gari zipite huko tafadhali, gari zipite kabisa. Gari zipite, zifungue njia. KDE, gari ipite. Haya. Wanafunzi tusonge nyuma. Last respect to somebody we all loved. Tusonge nyuma. We want to
we shall meet on the beautiful shore in the sweet.
Gari zipite tafadhali, gari zipite. It's a sad day for all of us as we escort our mom, somebody we loved, our pillar, our beacon of hope, an inspirer to many, somebody who understood each one of us. It's so sad, but we need to accept the will of God. Reverend Canon, nimekuona mahali, ni wewe utatuanzia na maombi, please. Tunataka utaratibu during this very sad day.
Unaweza kuwa na papa wapi?
Wanafunzi tusonge nyuma, hawa wako hapa tafadhali, tusonge nyuma. Tusonge nyuma. Haya. Tuendelee na hiyo wimbo. Tuendelee na wimbo. DJ Lehema.
Beautiful shore, the melodious song bless, out of spiritual sorrow.
Tusaidiane.
Nor a sign from
we want to be fitting set off
in the street,
to our mom,
by and by,
our pillar,
we shall be
somebody who meant so much for all of us, somebody who has impacted on our life in a very big way. Tupe heshima zake za mwisho. She was so kind to all of us, so loving to everybody, quite understanding. HODs tafadhali kuja tuchukue Mwiri, heads of departments, academic heads, sectional heads tafadhali. Heads of department, led by Mr. Rogers Meroka. Haya kwa utaratibu. This lady was so kind to everybody. She had a solution to all our problems, all the challenges that we faced. She came in handy. Sister, she talked to us. Haya, nataka sasa utaratibu. Watu wasonge. Nataka utaratibu. Kwanza kabisa wacha tuombe. DJ, wacha tukaribishe na maombi. Ni mtu alikuwa anapenda Mungu. Haya, kuna maua naambiwa ile kubwa. Nimeiona. Yes. Haya, Canon David, please. The Lord be with you.
Yes,
let us pray. Tuomba Mwenyezi Mungu utuneemeshe na unene nasi, utupe nguvu zako, maana wewe ni mwema katika hali ya maisha yetu. Hata sasa wewe ni Mungu, twakuamini. Kwa Kristo Yesu tuomba na kuamini. Zaburi ya 121. I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Indeed, he who watches over Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life.
The Lord will watch your coming and your going, both now and forevermore.